session, we are going to talk about data science, data mining, statistics, machine learning, supervised and non-supervised techniques. So these are the topics for our today's session. So without wasting any time, let's get into this. So in today's session, our first topic is data science. As you see by the left diagram, here you see some domains like data engineering, scientific method, math, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise. By combining all these fields and domains, we get our full package of data science. If a person or an employee get to know about all these domains, all these 8 domains, then we can say that that employee is perfect for doing the data science job. And thereby you can say that if you want to came in the field of data science, then you have to know about these domains. And for that, the first part which you have to do if you came in this data science domain, then there are 4 basic pillars for that data science, which is business domain, mathematics, computer science, and communication. These 4 pillars are essential for you if you are trying to become uh, a data scientist or trying to come in the data science domain. Then you have to essentially know about all these 4 pillars. And in data science job, your job is to, like, first, when you get your data, you have to convert your data in such a way that anyone can visualize that data and grab insight from that. Like, you have to make graphs and charts from the data you have got from your company, and after making graphs and chart, you have to grab some insights from that. And after insights, in grabbing insights, you have to take decision. And when you take decision, you apply the machine learning and deep learning models on that decision. Like, if I am taking this decision, then after n number of years, where is my company position? So by using these machine learning and deep learning models, you get to know that by using this, by applying this decision on my company, where what is the position of my company in near future. So by using that, if the decision is good for your company, then you take that decision, and if the decision is not good for your company, then you bypass that decision. And after this, we came to our next topic, which is data mining. Data mining is a process used by a company to turn raw data into useful information. Like, when you came into a company and you have to do a job of data mining, then you have to grab the data. Then you have to grab the useful information, useful data from the data warehouse of the company, companies store all of where company stores all of its data. And from that data you have to grab only those data which is useful for your company. So for grabbing the data, you have 5 steps which is involved in data mining. First step is identify the data. You have to identify what kind of data you want from the your company's data warehouse, your raw data, what kind of data you want from that. And after identifying the kind of data you want, then you prepare that data by getting that data from the raw data. You prepare your data and evaluate your data, like, is your data is correct or not, the data you get from the raw data is in correct order or not. Like, like, if you grab your data in CSV format and you have some columns and rows in that, so you see that there is a column which is name, and in the name column, the fields having the the values in the number format. Like, in name column, first row has 1 2 3 4. In name column, second row has 2 3 4. So data is in not a correct format, because 1 2 3 4 isn't a name of any person. So you have to evaluate your data, that data is correct or not. And after evaluating that, you have to present your data in a correct format so that anyone can use your data in further processes. And after presenting that data, then you use that data for business goals. And that all the 5 steps which comes under the data mining process. And after this topic, we are going to next our topic, which is statistics. Statistics is a discipline that concerns the collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. As you can see on left image, If you want to make graphs, charts, then you use statistics for making that line, graphs, bar chart, and pie chart, because statistics is a basic block. And everywhere, like if you want to came in any field, and I want to say that fields like data analytics, data science, business analyst, in if you want to came in this field, then statistics is the basic block for that. You have to know about these statistics because it is an essential domain for that. And on the right side image, you all can see that statistics are used in various fields, like in our day-to-day life, like predictions, testing, forecasts, preparations, predicting political, insurance, consumer, finance, sports, in all these domains. And there are more domains where statistics is used, and essential and basic block for that.